In this lesson, we will learn about the generative AI chatbot model types. So you must have heard about the text to text model, text to image model, text to video, text to music model. So let's see what are these. Now let us see the model types. So this will also cover your AI chatbots currently. Okay, text to text we all know. OpenAI's ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot and Google Gemini. We'll be typing a text prompt to generate an email, to generate an article, to generate a blog. With that, we can use text to images on the DALL-E model and Midjourney. The DALL-E model is now part of Microsoft Copilot, so you will be getting around 15 boosts in a day within the free version of Copilot so that you can work with DALL-E. Text to video, OpenAI Sora, and we now also have Kling and Luma AI Dream Machine introduced today. So you can try and generate text to video now easily. Text to songs, you must have heard about creating songs using text prompts using a two-line prompt with suno.ai. Okay, so you can easily achieve this with text to songs model. Then comes your text to task like software agents, virtual assistants, automation. So Microsoft came up with the Copilot PCs, the Copilot Studio also as in virtual assistant to ease your work.